Hello everyone, welcome to the newest iHelp video. Today we're actually going to be looking at a really great app to earn free money with no catch. So this app is actually called FetchRewards. Let's take a look at the 3D click options. So you can refer a friend, snap a receipt, and edit home screen, share app, remove, all the basics. So actually I love this app so much because all you have to do is press here, and then e-receipt or snap, and then it brings you here. You can scan it. I'm not gonna. Yeah. But when you scan a receipt, you guys, it works really well. And basically, $500. $500. Sorry. Let's take a look at my activity. So, one of my friends gave me one of their Target receipts, and I got 500 points from them. So yeah, that's really good. I had this other Target one where I got 900 points for getting a rope light, like a light strip, LED light strip. Really, really nice. And then I got a scan bonus. So yeah, now I have, see how many I have. And yeah, you can just check right here, upper right hand corner. I have 4,750 points, which is not very many, but good, Yes, I do love it. I'll rate it later though. Thank you for asking. Okay, so let's take a look at how many points this can. Ooh, if we get this sour cream, we get 1,000 points. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at some other ones. 2,000 points. 2,500. Okay, wow. Can't believe this. So, oh my goodness. Bestie. Anyway, that's a lot of points. But yeah, basically you can get so many free things. Like, you can get, you can buy this with points. Like, we can buy this for 2,500 points. Yeah, we can. And one of my friends actually referred me this app, and they got a free bathing suit, which is really amazing from this app. Just from scanning their extra receipts, We can go to Gatorade, that's really cool. But, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys win anything from this app, please comment down below and tell us, because we will be super interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. See you in the next iHelp video. Bye.